Welcome to Mama My Strength's Kitchen. Let's cook together. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For chocolate chip and sugar cookie, following are the ingredients. Friends, I'm using two different pack of cookie mix here. One is sugar cookie mix and the other one is chocolate chip. And they both require same ingredients. As you can see. Here I've got a mixing bowl together with a whisk, egg, butter, and I've already put the greasing paper on the cookie tray. Since I'm making 2 packets, so I needed extra trays here. That is why you can see that I have got extra trays ready. Before you start your baking, you must have all the things ready. Here I'm adding egg together with the butter in the mixing bowl and I'm going to whisk it. Next, I'm going to, after making sure that all the ingredients, which is butter and the egg, nicely combine and nicely whisked, that's when I'm going to add my third and the last ingredient, which is the cookie mix. I am using the sugar cookie mix first. And these 2 cookie mix are from 2 different brands. So you can see my cookie dough is almost nicely mixed. Almost, yes, because I still need to make sure that the cookies are the dough is nicely mixed and tender. So you can see here the dough is nicely mixed and it is tender now. I'm using a tablespoon to take out the cookie dough and I'm going to place it into the cookie tray. And I'm also making sure that I have space in between the dough, as the cookie will rise and it will take up the space. So it needs space so that it can bake nicely. Now you'll see that all my sugar cookies are ready to be baked. So I've already placed it in the oven. Next I will be baking the chocolate chip cookies. Here I have added the butter already in the mixing bowl. Next I will be adding the egg and again I'm going to whisk it and form the creamy texture before I will add the chocolate chip mix. Now you will notice that the egg and butter is nicely mixed and it has given a creamy texture already just by mixing it together. Can you see that? Now I will be adding my chocolate chip cookie mix into this. So in goes the chocolate chip cookie mix. And now I'm ready to whisk it or mix it. If you don't have a whisk or a electric beater, you can always use a spoon, and a better option is to use a fork. So here I'm mixing it again into a smooth dough as I showed you before. So now you will notice that the dough is ready Again, I'm using a tablespoon just to separate the doughs, and I will place it into the cookie tray, and I will again make sure that the doughs are placed separately so that they can bake nicely. When you have kids around, especially at home, you would love to do this type of baking. In fact, this type of baking they will also like to do. And now you will see that my first set of cookies are ready. I have just taken them out and cooled it. Now I'm going to place it in the cookie jar or container. So you will notice that I've almost filled one large cookie container. It is very nice to serve fresh cookies when you have guests and kids around. And they already look so delicious. And it saves our money from going to Subway to get the chocolate chip cookies. Friends, if you like the recipe, do subscribe.